Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mommy. Happy birthday to you. Yeah! Did somebody already blow it?
Colin did.
Colin?
Colin.
Oh my gosh. Well, make a wish, dear. You already made a wish? Here, Connor, hold this. Film Mommy. Get Daddy and Mommy on. Get your finger out of the way. Point at Mommy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday!
Wow! Kaboom!
Daddy, I did not see that.
Did y'all not know that was going to happen?
I was scared, Daddy.
You were scared?
Daddy. Daddy, I know what you did. Daddy, I know what you did.
Oh my gosh.
Our table.
Wow!
Look at all the confetti on the floor.
Look, hey, Daddy, you know what?
What?
You were lighting that thing. You were lighting that thing, Daddy. Remember I did, Daddy?
What?
I did. See the paper? I did it, Daddy.
Woo!
Hey, Mom. Hey, Daddy. Daddy.
Did you like that, dear?
Hey, Daddy.
Wow, I've never seen that before.
That's just for you, dear.
Hey, Daddy. Daddy.
What?
You light that thing up, and then we can.
Wow.
Can you eat these candles?
No, you can't eat the candles. All right.
Look at all that.
That's a lot of confetti.
Wow.
Hey, buddy. You're okay.
To the other box.
You're okay.
We'll have to get another one of those. That was cool.
That was
so
that was the
fun.
smaller one. I should have gotten the bigger one.
That was
No, you're not a big one. I just blow these.
wow. Look, I can't believe there's so much over here.
I wish I could have gotten it better on tape. We'll have to see the rewind.
Oh, you can vacuum. You vacuum.
Boys, one more time. Tell Mommy happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
All right, that's good. Colin, give me a smile.
Mommy,
Say bye-bye.
if you got a big one.
Happy 37th birthday.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Mommy, you know what?